There is a digital shift happening inside homes, and it is replacing income structures that were built to need you. Not your talent, not your output, just your presence. This shift is quiet. Most people don't see it. They treat it like a side project. But it is not a side project, it is a structural replacement. The traditional job operates on a simple exchange. Your time, their money, but that exchange has a ceiling. And the ceiling is always lower than the effort. You spend 40 hours. You receive a fraction of the value you generate. The rest funds the system, not you. This is not a moral argument, it is a mechanical observation. The structure was never designed to make you wealthy, it was designed to make you stable. And stability is valuable, until it stops being stable. What is happening now is different. The digital shift is not about replacing jobs with remote jobs. It is about replacing the job structure entirely with something you own, something that scales without adding hours. This is what most people miss. They think digital income means doing the same work from a different location. That is not the shift. The shift is in how the income is generated. Let me describe what this looks like in practice. A woman builds a digital product once. She spends 3 weeks creating it. After that, the product sells while she is making breakfast, while she is reading to her child, while she is offline. The income is no longer tied to the hour, it is tied to the system. And the system runs without her constant input. This is the difference. A job requires you to generate value every day. A digital system generates value every day. Whether you show up or not, that is the leverage. And leverage is what changes the math. Most people underestimate how much unpaid labor already exists in their life. If you are managing a home, you are already running operations, scheduling, budgeting, problem solving, coordinating. These are not soft skills. These are operational skills, and they transfer directly into digital income systems. You are not starting from zero. You are translating what you already do into something that pays you. The issue is that most people do not see it this way. They see digital work as an add-on. Something extra, something that requires more time. But the structure is different. You are not adding hours. You are reallocating attention from unpaid systems to paid systems, from someone else's leverage to your own. Here is where the economic friction shows up. You spend energy managing a household that does not compensate you. You spend energy managing a job that compensates you poorly. Both drain time, but only one of them is optional. The job is optional, the household is not. So the question is not whether you have time. The question is where your time is currently going, and whether it is building something for you or for someone else. The quiet leverage loop is the system that solves this. It is not a productivity hack, it is an income architecture. You identify what you already know, what you already manage, what problems you already solve. Then you package that knowledge into a repeatable format. A course, a template, a guide, a membership, a toolkit. It does not matter what form it takes. What matters is that it sells more than once. This is the core difference between labor and leverage. Labor sells once, you work, you get paid. You work again, you get paid again, the cycle never ends. Leverage sells once, then it sells again. Without you rebuilding it, that is what makes it scalable. And scalability is what makes it sustainable. Most people resist this because they think they do not have expertise. But expertise is not what you studied in school. It is what you have solved repeatedly. If you have managed a home budget for 5 years, you understand budget systems better than most financial advisors. If you have organized routines for multiple children, you understand operational design. If you have meal planned while managing dietary restrictions, you understand constraint-based problem solving. These are not hobbies, they are systems. And systems can be taught. The shift is in recognizing that what you do every day has economic value. It just has not been structured to pay you yet. And once you structure it, the income becomes predictable. Not massive overnight, but predictable. And predictable income from home is more valuable than unstable income that requires you to leave. Let me give you a concrete example, a planning system. Most people think planning tools are oversaturated, but planning is not one thing. Planning for a single working mother is different from planning for someone homeschooling 3 children. Different problems, different constraints, different solutions. If you solve one version of that problem well, There is a market, because the market is not everyone. It is people who have your specific problem, and they will pay for clarity. This is where most people stop too early. They assume that because something exists, it is not worth building, but saturation is not the issue. Specificity is the advantage. The more specific the solution, the more valuable it becomes. Because general advice is free, specific systems are not. Now, let me address the tools. You do not need complex software to start, but you do need structure. A simple productivity planner designed for home-based work can help you see where your time is actually going. Not where you think it is going, where it is going. There are options that track time blocks visually, and they make it easier to identify what is worth monetizing. I will leave a reference in the description if you want to explore that. The other tool that matters is a way to organize what you know. Most people keep their systems in their head, or scattered across notes. That does not scale. You need a central place to capture, organize, and build from. A digital notebook built for creators works well here. Again, link below if that is useful. But the tools are secondary. The shift is primary, and the shift is this. You are no longer trying to fit into someone else's income model. You are building your own. From home, on your terms, with your schedule, and the income compounds, not because you work more, but because the system works for you. This is not about quitting your job tomorrow. It is about building the replacement, quietly, incrementally, until the replacement becomes the primary, and the job becomes optional. That is the goal. Not escape, optionality, because optionality is what freedom actually looks like. The quiet digital shift is not loud. It does not announce itself. It does not require you to burn anything down. It just requires you to notice what you are already managing, and to ask one question: could this pay me? If the answer is yes, the next step is building the structure that makes it repeatable, and once it is repeatable, it is scalable. And once it is scalable, it is yours. Mandatory legal disclaimer. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, legal, tax, or professional advice. Any income strategies discussed require effort, skill development, and may involve financial risk. Results vary widely and are not guaranteed. Some links may be affiliate links, meaning I may earn a small commission at no additional cost to you if you make a purchase through them. This helps support the channel. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making financial decisions.